How to delete Webull account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can delete Webull account. For this, go ahead and open the Webull app on your device. If you don't have this application, you can head over to Play Store or App Store in order to download and install it. Now, you want to tap on the menu icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. From here, tap on the Settings option. Once you're on your settings, you have different options. If you only want to log out, scroll all the way down and tap on the log out option. If you completely want to close your Webull account, then tap on account and security option. All of the details about your account will be over here. Go ahead and tap on the delete account option, which is under the account security section. Here it says, in order to avoid unwanted charges, confirm that your subscription to Market Quotes has been cancelled. So if your subscription is still not cancelled, you first want to cancel your subscription before deleting your account. Once that is done, tap on the continue to delete option. Here it says all your data will be permanently erased and cannot be recovered. Go ahead and tap on this button that says authorize Webull to delete my account. Then tap on the delete option. Now, for security reasons, you will have to enter your password, and once that is done, your account will be permanently deleted. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.